Hi everyone, welcome to Sweet Vibe. Today I am going to show how to make bread pudding cake. This is very quick and easy recipe of bread pudding cake. These are the ingredients for preparing bread pudding cake. Take 5 bread slices. Toast bread for some time. Make breadcrumbs with blender. Transfer breadcrumbs into a bowl. Beat half cup of sugar and 3 cardamom with help of a blender. Take another bowl and add 50 gram of unsalted butter and beat it. Next, add powdered sugar and beat it again. Next, we need to add 2 eggs, but beat one at a time. Next, add half teaspoon of vanilla essence and beat it. Add 1½ tablespoon of milk powder and 2 tablespoons of ghee into it and beat it. Meanwhile, preheat on for 10 minutes. Next, add breadcrumbs into this bowl and mix it by cut and fold method. Transfer into a cake tin and decorate with nuts. Bake it for 30 minutes. Now our bread pudding is ready. This is very yummy bread pudding cake. So that's for this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. See you all in next video. Thank you.